Just bought a new car? Congratulations! But hold on. Before you enjoy that fresh ride, there are a few essential products you should buy immediately, or you might regret it later. First up, high-quality floor mats. The ones that come with your car? Usually not enough. All-weather mats protect your interior from dirt, water, and wear. Especially if you daily drive, this is a must-have. Next, a solid phone mount. Not only is it about convenience, it's about safety. Keeping your phone at eye level helps you stay focused on the road instead of looking down. Third, a dash cam. This one's non-negotiable. If something goes wrong, you'll want proof. It can save you from insurance headaches and false claims. You didn't buy a new car to keep it dirty, right? A basic cleaning kit with microfiber towels keeps your interior looking brand new with minimal effort. So far, floor mats, a phone mount, a dash cam, and a cleaning kit. Simple upgrades that make a huge difference from day one. And trust me, we're just getting started. There are even more must-have upgrades you don't want to miss. Subscribe now and don't miss part 2.